Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome back. Let's continue our lecture. This is the fourth part of the lecture. Now we will continue the next subtopic in 1.2, which is concentration unit. There are 5 things that you should know in this subtopic. They are molarity, molality, percentage by mass, percentage by volume, and mole fraction. In this part, we will only learn about molarity and molality. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to define each of the following concentration measurements, which are molarity and molality. Let's study the component of a solution. A solution is made up of 3 components. The first one is solute. Solute is the substance present in the smaller amount. It can be in the form of solid or liquid. Next, we have solvent. Solvent is the substance present in the larger amount. So, solvent usually is in the form of liquid. After solute is added into a solvent, it will form a solution. So, solution is a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more substances. Let's look at this example. In this example, sugar is the solute. Please keep in mind that solute can be in the form of solid or liquid. And then sugar is added into water. So water is the solvent. So water must be in the form of liquid. After sugar is added into water, it will form sugar solution in the form of aqueous. From this sugar solution, there are 5 things that we can calculate. So we can calculate the molarity, molality, percentage by mass, percentage by volume, and the mole fraction of the solution. So how can we calculate molarity? Molarity is number of moles of solute per liter of solution, and the formula is mole solute over volume of solution. So the volume of solution, the unit must be in liter or dm cube. The unit for molarity is mole per liter or mole per dm cube or molar or capital M. Let's look at this example. Calculate the molarity of a solution of 1.71 gram of sucrose dissolved in 0.5 liter of solution. Now, let's list out all the components of this solution. So, this is mass of solute. This is solvent, usually water. And the volume of solution given in the question is 0.5 liter. To find molarity, we need mole of solute, which is sucrose, and volume of solution. To solve this question, before you find the number of mole of solute, which is sucrose, first you have to find the molar mass of sucrose. So the molar mass here is 342 gram per mole. Next, find the number of moles. So mole of sucrose is equal to mass of sucrose, which is 1.71 gram, divided with the molar mass of sucrose, which is 342 gram per mole. So the answer here is 5 times 10 to the power negative 3 moles. Next, we can find the molarity. So for molarity, just insert the number of mole of solute and divide with the volume of solution. So the number of mole of solute is 5 times 10 to the power negative 3. Divide with the volume of solution, which is 0.5 liter. So the final answer is 0.01 molar. Next, let's learn how to find molality. So molality is number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. The equation for molality is mole of solute divided with mass of solvent in unit kilograms. So the unit for molality is mole per kilogram or molal or small m. Please keep in mind that mass of solution is mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Now let's look at this example. Calculate the molality of sulfuric acid solution containing 24.4 gram of sulfuric acid, this is the solute, in 198 gram of water, this is the solvent. Now let's list down all the information given. So for solute, the mass is 24.4. For water, the mass is 198 gram. Please convert into kilogram. And both of these will form a solution. So to find molality, we need the mole of solute, which is sulfuric acid, and mass of solvent in unit kilogram. Now let's solve this question. To find the number of moles of solute, divide the mass of solute, which is 24.4 gram, with the molar mass of sulfuric acid, which is 98 gram per mole. Then you will get 0.249 mole. Next, to find molality, just insert the number of mole of solute, 0.249 mole, divide with the mass of solvent, 0.198 kilogram. So the final answer is 1.26 molal. So that's all for part 4. See you again.